About 1,000 feet. Turning downwind thermal, the battery slid out again. That's why we lost audio. Seems to do it on takeoff. So this will be a full flap landing. And thermal traffic, Skylane 21002's midfield, left downwind 35 thermal. All flaps are closed. There we go. In a little bit. Thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is beam, left traffic 35 thermal. Fast, so we're going to pull the power way back. First notch of flaps in, which is 10 degrees. There's a racetrack, so we're going to come out a little further just because we're a little fast. And try to really nail this one at 60 knots. We're about 97 knots now, 100 knots. So traffic, Skylane 21002 is left base, 35 thermal. So we're going to go ahead and come way back. Pull the nose up a little bit, bleed some speed off, come in with 20 degrees of flaps. We're within flap speed there. In the Cessnas, you get a little rumble when you flaps out. It's just a Cessna thing. At 80 knots, we're going to start turning final over the racetrack here at thermal. Thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is turning final, 35 thermal. Oh, 67 knots, we're in good shape. Stall speed's just about 40. To flying the Citation, and you typically come in a lot faster, so slow like this just kind of is counterintuitive. So we're going full. Takes a little more work, but less work if you're slow. So we're going to slow way down. Power's idle. And aircraft's doing great. 70. Now we're below 70 knots. So we'll pitch up a little bit without adding power. There we go. Put a trim. Yeah, not bad. Flaps back up, cowl flaps come open. It needs a little bit of power because it bleeds out pretty quick with the full, but still works out pretty well. So you make the first turn off. Probably just a tiny bit of power to that landing like that. You can come in over the fence at 70 and then bleed it off to 60. But, pretty easy to do it. So here we go, we'll taxi back, we'll do it one more time. Camera may flake out on the battery will slide out on takeoff, but we'll give it a try. So traffic, Skylane 21002 is clear, 35, taxi back for left closed traffic. Looks good. Temps look good, cowl flaps open, fixtures leaned. For ground taxi, it just keeps everything happy in the cylinder heads with lean ground ups. And before takeoff, strobes, nav, taxi, landing, lights all on, went a lot of lights. Trims are set. Controls free and clear. Engine instruments look good. Everything's in the green. Fuel looks good and equal. Fixtures going back to rich. I don't see anybody. A little hot, so we're going to turn on the fan. Not supposed to turn on the air conditioner. Off, even though it's electric, not belt driven. And thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 will be departing left closed traffic, thermal. And I don't see anybody on final. Looking good. Lot less activity this weekend. There's no Stagecoach or Coachella. And runway 35 verified. Power's coming up. All the engine instruments are in the green. Flaps 10. We have directional control. Airspeed's alive. 40 knots. There's 59. There we go. Into the command bars. Now we're at VY basically. And flaps coming out. I'm in, looking for 1,000 feet. And thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is making left crosswind 35 thermal. Flaps closed. Thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is going to turn a left downwind 35, left close traffic, full stop thermal. Okay, 1,000 feet. We're going to hit the L button. That'll take the command bars to hold at 1,000 feet just for a command bar reference. And power coming way back. Thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is midfield, left downwind, runway 35 thermal. Cow flaps are closed, trims are set, pre-landing checklist is complete, lights are on. The beam, we'll start with the flap, power's back. We're going to go back to 15 on the manifold pressure. Nice power for here. Skylane 21002 is the beam, left traffic, 35 thermal. Okay, flaps in. And flaps 20. The landing we haven't done today is flaps 20, so we'll try that. Thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is turning base turn, 35, landing thermal. Be full stop. And thermal traffic, Skylane 21002 is turning final, 35, full stop thermal. I just keep a little power in, about 14, 15 on the manifold, otherwise she does sink pretty quick, so it does need a little bit. Very controllable with 14, 15 of manifold pressure, and then a little high, so we'll just bring the power to idle. knots with 20 degrees of flaps. A little rudder centering there. A little back pressure. We'll let it float a little bit. We're below 80 knots now. Alright, she's on the runway. We'll lean. Cow flaps will come back open. Air conditioning goes on. It is a little hot. Flaps are up. The strobes off. Landing light off. We'll leave the beacon nav on. And that is how it is done.